welcome to the vlog. So I'm starting this vlog at night just because I put up some of my Halloween decor, my fall decor, and I want to show you guys. I have my Halloween tree up and I have some lights there behind me. You guys can kind of see it, but it looks a lot better in the dark. So I quickly wanted to show you guys that. So yeah. So this is currently what my room looks like with the lights off. So this is what I did with my vanity. Have my candle going, I have some spiders, and then over here is my Halloween tree. And then over here we have my, sorry guys, I have my daughter's bottle up here, but we have my candle and then some little decorations that I put there. So yeah, I really wanted to show you guys that. It looks a lot better when it's dark so you can get like the ambiance. Right now, we are getting ready for bed. I'm gonna get the girls ready for bed. Tomorrow, we are seeing another apartment, you guys. Fingers crossed that this is the one. I need to move by October 1st, and this whole apartment journey is so draining, but I'm keeping faith. I'm keeping high spirits that tomorrow is the one. Good morning, everybody. So today we are going to see an apartment. We're actually on our way right now. I have to leave in 5 minutes, but I just wanted to come on here real quick and say good morning to everybody. Fingers crossed, you guys. I really hope I like this apartment. I hope it's the one because we're kind of running out of time. I also quickly want to show you my outfit for today. I'm wearing this Love Shack fancy Target collab dress. I really love it. I'm wearing my Chanel dupe earrings that I got from DH Gate. I'm wearing my ponytail that I'm so loving, and then I just did light makeup. So yeah, I'm gonna go gather the kids, get them in the car. So we just did the apartment and oh my god, we love it. We love it. So we got an application. We're gonna go fill it out, and if I'm able to come back and hand it in today, I will, but if not, I'm gonna hand it in tomorrow. So far this day is going so good, you guys. I am so in love with that apartment. The rooms are huge. There's so much closet space. It's like a cute small building. Like, oh my god, it's perfect for us. Right now we're gonna go fill out this application. I'm really excited.
2,000 years later.
Hello guys, so it's been a while since our last check-in. It's almost 6 o'clock. Today was very eventful, so just to kind of recap on what we've been doing, I picked up the application, I filled it out, I went back to go and drop it off, and then I went to go visit my aunt. She gave me vintage nightgown, so I can't wait to show you guys that when I get home. And then she also got the girls matching tracksuits, which I'll also show you when I get home. Right now we're in the drive-through lineup for Starbucks. There's a long line, but today's been a long day, a good day but long, so obviously we need to celebrate with coffee. In terms of the apartment, the lady did say that because it's available for October 1st, we should hear back within like a week or so, so fingers crossed. In the meantime, I still will be submitting more applications to other places just because, you know, I don't want to put all my eggs in one basket, but I am praying that God grants me this apartment because I fell in love with it as soon as I walked in. I didn't vlog much today because literally majority of my day was spent in the car, and when I was at my aunt, I was filling out my application to drop back to the apartment, so there wasn't really anything exciting there. But yeah, we're gonna get our Starbies, get some energy. I gotta go to the library and print some stuff off, and then we are going home. So it's the next day. When we got home, I literally got ready for bed and I knocked out. I actually fell asleep with my makeup on. Hello, that never happens. I was so tired, but I wanted to show you guys the stuff that I got yesterday. So I did get a package and I wanted to open it up with you guys. I seen Hannah Young. I saw this in her fall morning routine and I'm like, oh my god, I need to find it. That looks so cool. I can play with Maya. And I was able to find it, so let's open it. What it is, it's a pumpkin shaped wooden checkers board, which I think is so cute. I can't open this. Hello? Hold on guys, I'm gonna open this and I'll be right back. He really secured this like really, really well. Let's try and there we go.
Yay!
Yay! This is what it looks like. So this is the pumpkin checkers board, and then this is the pieces, which I think this is so cute. And then I also got a pumpkin shaped wooden board, XO, what's this game? What's this game called?
Tic-tac-toe.
There we go, a wooden board, tic-tac-toe in the shape of a pumpkin. So you guys know I'm gonna be doing lots of fall activities with my kids. This is so cute. I have to teach Maya how to play checkers because she doesn't know how to play, but I think this will be like a really fun mommy daughter kind of thing. My aunt gave me some vintage nightgowns, and she got Alexandria and Amaya matching tracksuits. I'm getting a little bit hot in my room, and it's like kind of chilly outside. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys the vintage stuff because I was really excited to get this. So the first thing is this gorgeous robe, this nice slip. Then I got a pink nightgown. I can't wait to wear this. Sorry, it's not a nightgown, it's a robe. It's a robe. And it has like nice lace detailing. It is so cute. And she also gave me this nice house dress just to wear around the house because I do wear these. Ooh, so cute. And then she also gave me this baby pink nightgown, which I think is so cute. Super girly. The last thing I got was this nice slip. So I was really excited to get these. Like, my aunt knows that I really like vintage stuff, so I was really excited when she said that she had some stuff for me. So now I'm going to show you guys the stuff that I got, that she got for Amaya and Alexandria. They got matching tracksuits. This one is for Amaya. Perfect for back to school. And then it came with this zip up. So cute. So that one's for Amaya. And then Alex got one too. This one, here's a little jacket, and it's also a zip up. And then the matching pants. That's what I wanted to show you guys. I don't really have much planned for today. I don't really know what we're doing. Today's one of those days where I'm having kind of like an off day, where just because I got some not so great news. It seems like that's like the norm for me, and I'm trying really hard for it not to, like, you know, have me in a rut. I don't know, it's been really stressful. I'm trying to keep a smile on and stay positive, but I'm human too, right? But I think what I'm gonna do is we're gonna go for lunch. We're probably gonna get McDonald's because my kids love McDonald's. And then maybe we'll like just wander the mall and kind of look at some fall stuff. I don't know, but I'll bring you guys along. The one thing we're not going to do is we're not going to wallow in our depression. I'm a firm believer that everything happens for a reason, and I may not understand why this is happening to me, and I may not see how this is good, but I will believe that the outcome of all of this that I'm going through will be good, and in the end everything's going to be okay. So today's one of those days. It's gonna be a let's stay upbeat, working through my emotion. I'm rambling, my thoughts and everything are everywhere, so I'm gonna get my kids ready and we're gonna go in time. So we just finished eating lunch. We ate it in the car. We went to Ronald McDonald. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. And yeah, I'm full, the kids are full. Yeah, so we're gonna head over to the mall, probably do a little bit of shopping. I do need to stop at Walmart to pick up some like essential things like kitty litter, cat food, and all that fun stuff. Walmart in the mall that I'm gonna go to tends to be the better Walmart, so we're gonna do a little wandering, maybe even get some Starbucks, who knows. That is like lopsided, oh my god. But we're in the mall. Oh my gosh, you guys. So I just got some really good news about the situation that I've been stressing about. And oh my God, God is so good. Like, this is what happens when you pray, you believe, you keep faith, and you manifest. Like, oh my God, like a huge weight has been lifted off my shoulders. You guys don't even understand how happy I am. So like, I'm not worried about anything right now. I know everything is going to fall into place at the right time. But right now, we're gonna explore them all. This is so cool. Hey guys, so it's a few days later. When I was editing this vlog, I realized that I didn't end it. It's gonna be really loud because my daughter's out. In the last clip that I showed you guys, we went to this cute little soap shop that I didn't even know the mall had, and I just wanted to quickly show you guys the two soaps that we got. So Amaya, the packaging for the soaps, by the way, are super cute. The store itself is really cute. Sorry for looking all crazy, guys. I just woke up. I'm getting my day started. I'm just like, you know what? Let me end this vlog. So this is the one that Amaya picked out. It's in the shape of a popsicle. The one that I picked out is a shape of a cupcake. And I was hoping that they would have pink, but they didn't. So I got like the green one. They said that they'll be having shipment soon. So I might go back to go get the pink one. But I thought these are really cute. They're all natural, all vegan. I'm really excited to use this, and I also think it's cute for display. Amaya really liked hers as well. So yeah, that's what I wanted to show you guys. I'm just gonna end the vlog right here. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Please subscribe and like if you haven't yet, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye. Say bye, Alex. Say bye. Now she doesn't want to talk. Bye.